Hi guys, thank you for returning back to my channel. You have come back to Charismatic Glam with me, Charisma. And I thank you guys for watching. So, I am coming to you guys today because I wanted to do a pretty basic look that I think that a lot of beginner-friendly makeup enthusiasts and people who are just starting to get into makeup would really enjoy. This is going to be a look that will consist of two shadows. Two. So, I want to really put the focus though on skin because I notice a lot of you guys out there don't really wear a lot of makeup, but you know, you still want to have that I'm snatched, I'm beat, but I don't have on much. So, if that is you, keep on watching. So I'm going to use this beauty blender, of which I know I had it in my hand the whole time. But I'm going to use this beauty blender, and I wear Fenty Pro Matte Foundation, and I wear the shade 410. And I'm going to use this instead of a brush today to put it on my face. For some reason for me lately, I like the way the beauty blenders are blending this foundation across my face. I got this beauty blender in a pack of 2, I believe it is, from Primark, and they were like $1.80. $1.80. So it's already wet, and I'm going to use this to blend in my foundation. So the two that we're going to use today will be this eyeshadow here, and this will be literally what we put on the whole entire crease, and this one will be in our crease because it'll give that nice, because it has that orangey nice tone to it. I think this would be great for in the crease, and then this would be a good all-out brown shadow. And I'm really using the browns today because I notice a lot of girls, you know, just like I said, they like that look that just says without doing too much. And I think this would be a perfect look, especially if you don't have much time in the morning. Throw it on, let's go. We got to get out the door, y'all. So, digging into this orangey brown, sorry. And we are going to get in that crease. Make sure as we're doing these small circles, we're moving that brush. Don't leave it in one place because you're going to deposit way too much color in one area. So move that brush, sis. But we also don't want to just load up the brush with a bunch of brown and have it, you know, too much color in one area because we don't want the colors to look muddy. All right. Y'all see that? You should pretty much have like that eyeshadow space. And like I said to you guys before, I have small lids, so mine may look different than yours. But the main goal is to make sure that this eyeshadow remains in your crease. All right. All right. So now we're going to take this brown here, and we are going to put that on the lid, and we are going to blend up. You are going to use the same exact brush. We are not going to switch brush. As well as this being a 2-color eyeshadow look, we're going to use the same brush. No need. You take that same, because you see it got all that brown on it. We want that. So we're going to use the Nostalgia in this palette. And we are going to pack that on the lid. We're going to pack it on that lid just like that. Did you say hit send? No. All right. And we're going to also, like I said, we're going to blend up. So now we're going to visit the next lid. And we're just packing it for now on the lid. And then we're going to blend up. Because sometimes a look doesn't call for all this beat and all this color and whatnot and 4 and 5 and 6 shadows. Sometimes you have those days that you really just want just a simple beat.
Hey friends, I know right now it's a little bit stressful and it's so hard being stuck at home, but I want to let you know I'm right here in it with you. I'm stuck at home too, but just take this time, hang out with your siblings, your
Right?
parents, lay around, snuggle.
Take some time and check out your eyes. And if you feel like in certain places you may need, like me, a little bit more, feel free. Put it on there. All right. So that's it. See, I'm extra, real extra. So I am actually going to make sure that my corners have a little pizzazz. So I'm going to go into Chill, which is this golden color, and I'm going to add that. For you guys, if you feel that this look is perfect just as it is, you can stop right there, honey. And that's it. Voila. Put your eyeliner on. We're going to still do eyeliner, but you can put your eyeliner on, put your lashes, and go outside and be a bad. So I'm going to put a little in my tear duct. And I'm actually going to use the smudger brush that I got on clearance at Target. Because y'all know I love a good bargain. And I told you guys before, I got a few of them. They were $1.20. I grabbed them. Grabbed, I believe, all that was on the rack, too. So, I'm going into Chill. Not taking much either. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Good. So listen, I need a favor. Shoot. I have to take a bunch of auditions at school on Saturday. Fun. Yeah, not really. Anyway, would you let me borrow your video camera?
I am also going to go into my brown, the same nostalgia that we put on the lid, and I'm going to bring it down under on my waterline.
I just asked to borrow your video camera. What is all this? Well, that's a 3-chip high-def camera.
I'm going to add my NYX
Carly will never love you.
liner.
That's it! I'm taking my stuff and I'm going home! Please stay. Okay. Okay, Jeb. You ready to audition?
Yeah, I will be performing a scene from a French play called La U.M. Fan.
Okay. We don't know what that means, but knock us out. Rolling? Rolling. Bad.
Okay.
Oh, Lemon, calm down. It can't get worse.
So I'll put my concealer already underneath my eyes just to kind of cut down on time a little bit. But I am going to sit and blend it out on camera. And I'm using now the pointier side of my beauty blender. So guys, I'm so sorry. I was trying to do a complete talk through video for today, and unfortunately, while I am at home with the rest of America, the rest of the world, doing work from home stuff, I actually got a little sidetracked with a office phone call. So unfortunately, I had to stop talking and make this a post-it type video. Totally not what I wanted, totally not what I expected. A little upset that that happened, but the show must go on. But I think where I left off was putting on my lashes. I used the Vegas Nay lashes. These are literally like a old pair, and I used to buy a whole bunch of them. So they are a brand new pair, but these are old. You probably won't be able to find this particular type. I do believe that she still makes lashes, so I'm going to see if I can find me some. I think they are being sold in Target. At least that's the last place I saw it before everything shut down. So I'm going to go to Target and grab some Vegas nail lashes. I think I want to do like a little review. She is a Instagram influencer, Correct me if I'm wrong. If any of you guys know, you can correct me down in the comments. So I love her lashes because they are always fluffy. They're always full. They always have that glam effect, which is basically what I have on here. I love these lashes. These lashes are so nice. So I think I'm going to definitely keep them. So yeah. Or either I can find some lashes like this. Like this would be so hot. Like, anyway, let me not get sidetracked because I'm always getting sidetracked on a video. But I did my lips, which was done with the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick, and the color is Blushing Rose. I really love this stuff. And again, another clearance item. And I paid, oh, I ripped it off. But I know it wasn't expensive though. I know it was probably no more than $2. So the original price though was $6, and we ain't doing that. But $2, I'll take it. Sure will. So I use that for my lips. I use Max Hodgepodge to line them. I have not put any gloss on, but I think I might want to put gloss because for me this is a little too matte. Like, it's cute, but it's too matte. And for my highlight today, I use the e.l.f. White Gold. This right here, this is good. This is some good stuff. But I use that, and I'm trying to think what else did I have going on. I didn't get a chance to contour, but it's cool because this was supposed to be like a 5-minute look, right? So if you're running out the door, you don't have time to contour neither. You trying to get out the door. We in a rush. We ain't got time, okay? We ain't got time. Gotta go. We gotta get out of here. So this is my 5. Well, this one no 5-minute face, but it's as close to 5 minutes as we're gonna get. It's a quick face. Let's put it like that. Very quick. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you are able to get something out of this look. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and like these videos so that I can keep dishing them out, honey. Okay? All right? Come, bring it in. Gotta give you a hug, okay? All right. Catch you in the next video. Bye.